guys, welcome back to another vloggy. Welcome back to another vlogmas. As you guys can see, Kiko a different background. I'm at Kotabu's place. He invited me for lunch and whatsoever. So I give it my band. We invited ko. Okay, it's not a big thing. It's just me and him. We really only going to today, African cuisine type of vibe. So I was like, I'm in. It's long I'm in. So no busy I don't know, so I'm going to help him. But for now I wanted to introduce this video so you guys can what's happening, you know what I mean? So yeah, and guys, for those who don't know me, I am with the Queen, and that's period. Let's do the most. Let me go help him. Then after I'm coming back catch up again. So yeah guys, I'll see y'all later. Guys, see, so this pot, I don't know if you guys will see this pot. Like when I can swim, it's chill. So right here, I can see some but the moment I feel like I'm done.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving.
Example or
Yes.
Can't they auto me come on lope?
Aga mo gonna roba to mata mo ona re ntshedila ka mo. This side I gonna roba ka maga mo.
Kai go o beile gona ka mo go feditse then after o etsa mollo. Okay.
I've never done this before.
So why you said you'll come go like this? Can't you shut up? O sa mpetele so go mola tu.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay?
I thought naked o chila e bogele motho. I only to find out through him and seven very much. I'm going to like clappy and the company of Yankee chila because of this guy. There's a lot happening, but what can I say at the end of the day, coach?
Forever, 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 forever.
Hey guys, welcome back to another clip. Guys, if you I'm about to apart then go sit guys. Remember I told you all hey, it's going to be me and Taboo. Hey, what enjoying the couple vibes. I lied to myself. The cousins I did I really lied to myself, and guys, to be honest with you, like lampona get everything is sharp and I'm sick. Yo, like kuyanyiwa, like now I'm just pretending like keep go back at everything go sharp, like I'm just pretending to be myself, like I'm trying to be myself. I can go whatever that we are doing today, you get what I mean? But to be honest with you, I am sick. Like I have this stomach cramps, abdominal pains. There's a lot happening. Like there's a lot happening. I'm sure you all saw the previous vlog, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know which of one of my vlogs since Ketomilo posted last month, which is November. I went to see doctor and whatsoever because I was complaining about that and whatsoever. I'm still drinking them, so I think about ways. I don't know. Like I feel like I'll give ways. I could say like I don't know, but I'll just continue with the day. Maybe get right late in yan. You'll never know. Right? You'll never know. So guys, next. I'm just going to be myself that side. Pretend like everything is sharp. I'm not okay. Anyway, yeah, let's do the most, guys. I'll see you there.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky.
Guys, I'm trying to take myself pictures because Tabang owns the pictures so I'm trying to take myself pictures.
You took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
I really look nice. Anyway, guys, now I'm about to marinate this thing. I don't know what's the name of this. I think I like a kidney, if I'm not mistaken. So I can marinate it. Okay, I can marinate. I can natural why and what else? And olive oil. Yeah.
I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy.
Guys, Avanga Katakabichi before the pillow. It will be my first time today doing this. It will be my first time. So I wanna see will I able to cut this whole thing. If I'm gonna shame, I'm blaming for that, honestly.
Let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh.
But I have to use this one. Kan doon sa alam niya ako. Ito ang yakas. This one yung kimera. Yan ang ikato yung kimera. I can't use this one. No. So this one is fine for me. Because I'm doing chill.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud.
Am I the only only person who telling salt, like salt, or cooking, like cooking when you cook up. Do you guys do that, or I don't know, like guys, cause mina and
Out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder.
And you know what's the thing, né? Like Krog is not like me. I'm a person who can, or like, even now I'm in a situation where like I'm seeing this hand, but like I really want to.
When are you the definition well of men at trash?
yeah, men trash. Why unyaka? Why when
That's the thing, Michael. Really.
Why can you come?
why is also attracted to a friend?
No, what's up, Michael? I would go, Michael. When is it gonna happen? I would do that.
Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Hey guys, welcome back to another clip. Welcome back to another clip. We are about to eat, but unfortunately this is the last clip for you. I'm closing this vlog right now because I have to do another one tomorrow, another VLOGMAS. So I hope you guys did like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to me again. Bye.